A very good evening and Jai Hind to all my dear children. Welcome to the second module of English. In this module, we will continue the second part of the chapter, The Refugees. But before I proceed further, let me give you a brief explanation about adverbs. What are adverbs? Adverbs are the words that add more information about a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. For example, Jadav Rana asked the messenger, "Tell me quickly why you have come rushing in." In the above example, the word quickly tells us the manner of an action as it modifies the verb tell. So here, quickly can be referred to as adverb of manner. Most adverbs are formed by adding ly or illy to adjectives. So we can say that adjectives plus ly or ily equals to adverbs of manner. Now let's begin scene 2. Also we'll try to find out some adverbs from the chapter. Same scene as before with Jadav Rana and his advisors and servants. Suddenly there is a stir and a group of people come in led by Achal Rana. Among the strangers is an old man, bearded and wearing the robe of a priest. Priest means a religious man, holding a swinging bowl with the sacred fire burning in it. The four strangers in the group are dressed differently from the local people. Differently, here is the adverb. Achal Rana bowing before Jadav Rana. Your Highness, respectful greetings. Jadav Rana, thank you, Achal. Welcome to my house. And who are these strangers that you have brought with you? Where do they come from? Do they speak our language? Achal Rana leading the old man forward and presenting him to the chieftain. This old man does. Speak, stranger, and tell our Rana Sahib who you are and what you want from him. Old man, we come in peace, sire, strangers from the distant land of Persia. We had to leave our land and come away because we were no longer safe there. Our lives were in danger because we practice a religion that is different from that of our new rulers. Help us, most gracious ruler. Gracious means kind and elegant. All we ask is refuge and a chance to live in peace. Refuge means protection from danger or trouble. Jadav Rana. All religions are but different ways to God. You are welcome to practice your religion here. Most gracious stranger, you and your people can live in safety in our country. Old man bowing low and saluting the chieftain with trembling hands. Thank you, your gracious highness. I thank you on behalf of my poor people who have been searching for refuge for many years and have now found it in this most beautiful of countries. On behalf of means as a representative of. Jadav Rana. But tell me first, what do you need from me? Apart from permission to live in my land and practice your religion here. Old man. We want freedom, your highness, freedom to bring up our children according to the customs and traditions of our country and religion. Tradition means ways of doing things that have continued from the past to present. Jadav Rana, I grant you the right to that. What else do you need? Old man, a small piece of land to till, your highness, so that we may work and earn our bread and not to be a burden upon the people of our country. Jadav Rana, granted. But in return, O stranger, what will you be able to do for the country that has adopted you? Old man, before I tell you that, your highness, may I ask for something? Jadav Rana, certainly. Old man, may I have a small bowl of milk and some sugar? Jadav Rana claps his hands and signals. In a few minutes, a servant comes with a bowl of milk which he hands to the old man, together with some sugar on a plate. The old man hands over the sacred fire to one of the other strangers, then adds the sugar to the bowl of milk and stirs it well. He holds it up in his trembling hands. Trembling means shaking. Old man. Does any man here see the sugar that is in this bowl of milk? All bystanders. No, no, no. Old man. We shall try to be like the sugar in this bowl, sire, invisible but present all the same, to sweeten the milk of human kindness that you have shown us. We will blend with your people, just like the sugar which blended with the milk, adding sweetness to it. Jadav Rana. Well spoken, old man. We are pleased to welcome you and your fellow countrymen to our country. You will always be welcome here, and no one will trouble you because you follow a different religion. Live in peace among us as our neighbors and friends. Old man bending over with the other three men who came with him to touch their foreheads to the soil. We salute this gracious and hospitable country and the people who live in it, and we promise to become one of them henceforth. Henceforth means from this time. And that is how the Parsis came to India and became one of its many peoples.